Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. I've been in my house for the last couple of days. Yesterday I had a professional development, online professional development, and I had some plaits in my hair. My Sisterlocks was not where I wanted it to be. So this is how I've been wearing my head wrap for the, I guess, 2 days now. But I'm getting ready to take it out. I want to say to you that all of us need to be encouraged despite what's going on in the world right now. I'll quote a scripture that I try to live by, which says, "Trust in the Lord with all thine heart. Lean not to your own understanding, but in all your ways acknowledge him, and he'll direct your path." And when I say acknowledge him, I'm saying keep the faith. I'm saying act like you know. That's what I tell the little kids. Acknowledge, act like you know. Act like you trust, act like you believe. But also use wisdom, because wisdom is the principal thing. God has given us some professionals that gave us advice on how to be safe. And so let's follow their advice, because we need them to direct us. And we need God to give us the mind, the heart, and the wisdom to follow and to do those things that are right. Now let's get to this hair, my wonderful subscribers. I did not shampoo my hair. I was braiding and banding my hair with a purpose, and that is for a braid out. My brother is pulling up in my yard right now, blowing his horn as if he does not know how to get out of his vehicle and ring the doorbell. Yes, I'm complaining about my wonderful brother, Fred. So I may have to stop what I'm doing to see what he needs, but I'm going to take these bands out of my hair first. And I'll be right back. I almost forgot that I was supposed to be doing a video, so I started taking the braids out. These braids were put in there for the purpose of a braid out, so this is not how I braid and band my hair. Before or after, I don't know which video it will come first right now, but I'll be showing you the difference in the way that I band my hair from the way I used to do it in the beginning. But let's get this over with. Nevaeh, you busy? Oh, come help me take my braids out. This gray hair is really unruly. Don't give me no respect. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my family. I love my friends. I love my subscribers, new and old. And I especially love God, and I trust Him. Okay, let's take a look. Got it. And thank you for watching.